Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update ChatGPT on Android and how to keep future versions installing automatically. Updates matter because they can bring new tools, interface changes, and stability fixes. Start on your home screen, find the Play Store icon, and tap it once. Give Google Play a moment to open before moving to the search step. Inside Google Play, look along the bottom navigation and tap Search. Now tap Search Apps and Games at the top. Type ChatGPT exactly, then press the search key on the keyboard. Wait for the results. Google Play may put a sponsored chatbot above the real app, so do not install the first similar-looking result. We'll confirm the official publisher before opening any listing. Find ChatGPT with the familiar black and white knot logo. Directly beneath the name, the publisher must be OpenAI, and an installed badge should appear on this phone. That separates the official app from sponsored copies. Tap the ChatGPT listing itself, not the blue Open button, so the full store page opens and you can check its update status. On the official page, confirm the title ChatGPT and the publisher OpenAI. Look at the large blue button beside Uninstall. This is the Update Status Control. When a newer version is ready, its label changes to Update. On this phone it reads Open, so the latest available version is already installed. Swipe upward briefly to review the page details, then swipe back to the top. Never tap Uninstall when all you want is an update. For hands-off updates, tap the three dots in the top right corner. In the menu, find Enable Auto Update. Its box is empty here, so tap that row once. Open the three-dot menu again and check that a blue tick now appears. That tick means Google Play can install future ChatGPT releases automatically, subject to your network and Play Store settings. Quick recap. Open Google Play, tap Search, search for ChatGPT, choose the official OpenAI listing, and check the Main button. Tap Update only when that label appears. Open means you are current. Then use the three-dot menu and leave Enable Auto Update checked. Close the menu and tap Open to launch ChatGPT. The app should start normally. That's all it takes to update ChatGPT on Android. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Android tutorials. Thanks for watching.